It all started on an island in the middle of nowhere, with a quest to reach an island, also in the middle of nowhere.
A place where they mount cameras on goats since Google didn't think they were important enough for Street View.
A place where they grow grass on the roofs to keep warm.
Where you are never more than 5 kilometers away from the wild ocean.
Is the Faroe Islands, an insanely beautiful archipelago left to itself in the North Atlantic Ocean.
We have been wanting to go to Faroe Island for the longest, and now it's happening!
Finally! But we still have a long way to go because we're also in the middle of nowhere here in Esbjerg, my hometown in Denmark. And this is a place where dinosaurs still roam. Father, are you ready to be on camera for 7 days?
No, I am certainly not. I have to go to the hairdresser before.
So we have a 4-hour drive from here to where we take the ferry boat. But first we're gonna drop this fella off. And then we have 2 days of sailing.
What are you looking forward to the most?
I believe to see my grandfather's grave and house and statue here.
With the Swedish mobile home fully packed, we drove through the country of Windows screensavers. Hi! Yeah. Can you say hi to the camera? People are going to hang out with you for the next 7 days. People love you. So I haven't been this excited for a trip in a long time. And even though Faroe Islands is fairly close to Denmark, it still feels like we're going somewhere even more exotic than the Philippines or South America.
This is one of those destinations where you would never really even expect yourself to go there. And that's how I felt when we went to Namibia.
I love your sunglasses. Like father, like son.
Full of excitement, we were getting close to Hirtshals, from where the ferry was awaiting us. And we were not late.
My father suffers from travel fever, so we're 2 hours early.
Men Jon Falser, det kan være, at den skal vende den vej, så folk kan se tallet.
Er pulsen helt op? Okay. Tager du lige en cigaret, så hygger vi. Værsgo.
Good for a non-smoker.
So you can of course also fly to the Faroe Islands, but taking the ship is just a much more cozy experience. We have a suite with a double bed and it looks so nice. We're driving, Mom. Hurry!
After spending 90 minutes of quality time by the car, it was finally time to board the ferry.
1,418 people can sleep on the boat, and that's excluding staff.
It felt quite big, but in reality it is quite small, keeping in mind that it's a 32-hour trip.
So on the cabin tickets it says 8504 for me, Dad and Mom, and 05 for Amelia. Who are you sleeping with?
Well, I'll find one.
If the boat's rocking, don't come knocking.
Wow, looking good.
What?
Flot udsigt, hva'?
This is our first time, Amelia, on a big boat. We've only been on a tiny cruise in Vietnam.
Which was amazing.
This is the bathroom. Very, very spacious.
And upon checking into our floating hotel room, we'd like to thank our sponsor, Surfshark VPN.
In this day and age, a VPN has become as important as having your front door locked. I literally feel naked without my VPN activated.
We use Surfshark VPN on both laptops, smartphones, and iPads for many reasons.
It keeps our virtual identity hidden from internet pirates. Netflix and other streaming services don't have the same content available across the globe, but with Surfshark VPN you can actually get access to all of it just by changing your virtual address.
Also, no government or internet providers will know about your internet activity. Not that it matters to you, right?
If there is one software product everyone should have, it's Surfshark VPN. And I really mean that because we are ever increasingly connected to the digital world and therefore ever more exposed.
There are many VPN providers out there, but what makes Surfshark unique is that you can connect unlimited devices with one subscription or just €2.09 a month.
That's 83% off, including 3 free months if you get it today. And with glowing 5-star reviews and a 30-day money-back guarantee, it really is a no-brainer.
Hvis du skal rende med det der.
Det ved du godt.
Så det er idiot.
Far, kan du lige pose? Vi har et billede af dig. Cruise ship life seemed pretty appealing at this point. There is something special about vacationing on a moving vessel. The exciting anticipation of the destination is like a constant mood booster. And having this comfy suite and loved ones around made for a great and happy start to the trip.
We made it. We are on board. I think you should say that to your father.
We are not there yet.
Well, Amalia, now it's time to figure out what do we do on this boat.
I know. There are 5 places to get food and drink here on this boat. And we are right now at Underhusia. And this is where you get coffee and read a book and some sweets and whatnot. This is a fine dine restaurant here on board.
We can only afford the buffet, Amalia.
You have a shopping center here. Come.
Amalia, not now.
What about catching a movie in the cinema?
We're too old for this room, Amalia. There's a hot tub.
Wouldn't this be lovely, Jon?
Is it warm? Oh, it is warm.
Yeah, well, it's a hot tub. 30 euros per person to soak up in here. You know, they say that the weather always sucks in the north, but this is pretty decent, don't you think?
So on the Faroe Islands, the average temperature here in June and July is
11 degrees.
11 degrees. You don't get 25 degrees days. It just doesn't exist.
No.
Although hot summer days weren't awaiting us on the Faroe Islands, we got to enjoy what felt like summer on the boat. Sun was shining and water so calm we thought it was the Dead Sea.
You know, I've never really understood cruise ships like vacations, and I still don't. I mean, there is a charm being on a boat, and I enjoy it for, 30 hours or how long this trip is. But still, you're on a boat, you can't do much. I mean, am I the only one?
That's the beauty. Because if you think about it, Jon, how often don't we say that when you fly business class, you feel perfectly fine doing nothing? And when you're on a boat, it's the same feeling, You're doing nothing, you're not being productive, you are taking some time in the spa and in the gym and in the pool and eating, and you feel good about it.
Right now,
it's beautiful.
The weather is so good, the water is so calm. It's really nice.
It's crazy how calm the water is, actually.
Yeah. It's good for a romantic moment like this.
Are you okay?
I think it's time soon.
It looks like it.
Amalia, this is exactly what I need. I only have jeans, and we are going hiking a lot. A lot of things to do here. If this isn't coziness the Danish way,
then
I don't know what.
I was actually quite afraid getting sick on this trip because I've been going to Norway a couple of times, and that has been a bumpy ride every time, and I get really sick and I stay in the room and the bedroom most of the trip.
Really?
But this trip has been really, really pleasant so far.
But we have the entire day tomorrow.
I know, it better not get rocky.
My great-grandfather could potentially be here somewhere. And we do have to talk more about him because he was almost like a king on the Faroe Islands, and we even have a book written about him.
Man kan godt se din far er færing, hva'?
Oh yeah, that does look like my father.
Men din far passer.
Look at this setup here, Amalia. Can you be any happier?
I was looking forward to fish and vegetables.
There's cucumber. We came 6 minutes after the kitchen closed, so we are having cold cuts. Probably been here the entire day. I think my mom is trying to hide from us because she doesn't want to be on the camera. We looked in the old pensioners' lounge. Nowhere to be found.
Vi er gået i seng.
Er I gået i seng?
Ja.
Bare lige sige godnat.
Ja, godnat.
Godnat.
Ja, godnat.
Hej.
Driven her to Lauriston Gardens. He could only keep her case by accident if it was in the car.
Filmer du? Jeg er lige vågnet, du skal ikke filme.
We are 39 kilometers away from the Shetland Islands, so we are more than halfway there. And we have the whole family lined up. Mom, you disappeared yesterday.
I went for a bath in the sea.
With the other whales?
Yeah, you haven't heard about that?
Why are we going to Faroe Island?
Well, I am somehow connected to Faroe Islands because my mother was a true fairy. And
You're half faring,
I'm half.
so I'm quarter faring.
You're quarter fairy.
We're going to see our your grandfather, who was like he's still a well-known person.
He was they say in those times, king of the islands.
And he even had his own currency. We have the coins, I forgot them in the car,
Yeah.
but I think that's so cool. So we're going to dive into the story of
Yes.
our family,
Yeah.
in addition to how beautiful Faroe Island is. Because what do you do on Faroe Islands? Do you just look at the beautiful nature, or
Well,
eat
that depends.
whales? As we passed the Shetland Islands and the UK's northernmost point, the Faroe Islands felt closer than ever. I think it's safe to say that we are not really exploring the gastronomy of this boat, because we are in the same buffet cafeteria.
For the third time.
We haven't been to the other ones, Amalie. It's embarrassing. But we're going there tonight, right?
Yes, to one of them.
The old folks are paying. We're playing bingo now. This is where a family comes together like a rainbow.
It looks so difficult for me. All these numbers, what are they there for?
Til å lukke i gjennom reglene for bingo er gengjeldt for de fleste føringer du spiller bingo. Nummer station.
Nummer 3 fors.
Kom så. 86. Eller 5.
Bingo.
Nummer 9 und 3.
86.
Nummer 1.
Bingo hold igjen.
Nummer 1.
Bingo.
Nummer 5. Ja.
Banco.
Hallo.
Hvad så?
Ej, lad være. Amalie, det er meningen, folk skal tro, vi godt kan lide hinanden. Cheers to the Faroe Islands.
This is something that you really need to love someone to give them.
Can I open?
Yeah. And it comes with no complaining. Now all our subscribers know that you started smoking.
I didn't start smoking. We had a friend visiting, and he smokes, and he was there for 2 weeks, and I was leeching cigarettes because I always do that when people smoke, but people don't smoke around me normally.
You are a weak person, I see.
You can be very sure that your father, he will be very close to you.
Yeah.
Yes, exactly.
My father, he walks around after me like I'm some royalty. But you want to know the funny part, Amalie? I bought 5 packs behind your back because I didn't want it.
Did you know that? Hvad siger man skål på færøsk?
We are 50 kilometers away from Faroe Islands now. It's been terrific weather all the way up here, but as you can see in the distance, it's starting to look a little bit more gray. We have been looking on the weather forecast for the last month. It's been like rain every day. I truly hope that we will have some decent weather, but we are so excited. We are thrown out from our hotel room, and there's still an hour and 10 minutes until we can leave the boat. So
We're not allowed to go pack the car yet because the boat has to be in harbor before we can go to
Really?
the parking lot.
all in all, it's been
It's wonderful.
amazing trip. Having spent almost 32 hours on open seas, we could finally see land. We felt a bit like Christopher Columbus' cousin having found new, undiscovered land.
We made it! We are here!
Welcome to Faroe Islands. What a welcome.
And keep in mind that it's 10:30 almost. It actually doesn't really set. It
But
only dips and then it comes up again this
Yeah.
time of year.
Excited, Daddy?
Yes, I am. Yes.
Back to your home country.
Yeah.
The first thing that we thought to ourselves was that it looks like a snow-free version of Greenland. We docked in Tórshavn, which is the main city of the Faroe Islands. This will be our base during our stay.
Anyway, we had to hurry to the car because my father thinks we might not get off the boat before it returns to Denmark, especially since he couldn't find the car.
Jeg så da godt, at du ikke havde fået tingene ind her. Det undrer mig.
Ja.
Ej, det var da synd for dig. Så har du været bange. Hvad?
That is.
Welcome to Faroe Islands. We are officially landed. See you in 7 days.
3 minutter herfra. Det er højere næste gang. Og
Hotel.
velkommen til hotellet. Ja, okay. Close enough.